We here at Cranbourne East Primary School acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on which we meet today, the Bunurong people, and pay our respects to their elders past, present and emerging.
We also like to acknowledge any Aboriginal Torres Strait Islander people we have here today.
We will now sing the Australian National Anthem. In doing so, we will demonstrate two of our school values, responsibility and respect.
When we sing with pride and stand up straight.
We welcome you to sign along with Auslan as well. When we finish, we sit down quietly and listen up for what's coming next.